morning, students. Yesterday we have started this in your regular math textbook, this chapter measurement, and we have studied also these two pages. Then today you see this page number here 39. Measurement weight mass. See here. Sonu, the weight of the ball is the 7 marbles. The weight of the ball is 7 marbles. See here one side, here one ball is there, and in another side here 17 marbles. Then Nandu, the same ball weight 10 of my marbles. This same ball and weight of this 10 marbles. Here how many marbles? 10 marbles. But these marbles are bigger and these marbles are smaller. How is that possible, Salma? How can the same ball have different weight? Tonu, the marbles that Sonu brought were smaller than the marbles that Nandu. This Sonu brought here marbles smaller than this Nandu marbles. That's the reason for this confusion. Means see here Sonu's this weight of this ball is here 17 marbles, and Nandu this ball of this weight of this ball is here, ball is same here 10 marbles, this 10 marbles here 17 marbles. Because of this, these marbles are bigger than these marbles. Then time, that's the reason why shops keep weights which are the standard unit for measuring weight. Means the shopkeeper keeps the weights for the standard unit for this measuring weight. This 1 kilo, then this half kg, and here 250 gram. 1 kg, 500 gram, 250 gram. If something is weighted using standard weights, it measures the same no matter who does the weighting. The kilogram is a standard unit for this measuring weight. Kilogram is a standard unit for this measuring weight. See here, I want this 1 kilogram of sugar. I want 5 kilograms of wheat. Means wheat, sugar is measuring weight here this in kilogram. We measure this in kilogram. Please give me here 2 kilograms of jawar. All of these things you measure in kilograms. Then see page number 40. Make a guess about the weight for these given things. Is it greater than or less than 1 kilogram? Then go to a shop and check if you guessed this right. Firstly you estimate here weight, and then afterwards actual weight. Then you go in shopkeeper and you ask to shopkeeper then actual weight of these things. A packet of this salt. A packet of this salt. Suppose this packet of salt is 1 kg. You write here 1 kg. And actual weight also you write. Then one big lump of jaggery. One big lump of jaggery. This also 1 kg. Then 50 biscuits. You know 50 biscuits. Then weight is here. Suppose you write here weight these 50 biscuits 250 gram, no kg. Then 5 cups of sugar. 5 cups of sugar. This also write here this 250 gram. Tonu, my mother wanted half a kilogram of sugar to make this some halwa, and we have had a bag of this 1 kilogram of sugar. My mother wanted half a kilogram of sugar to make this some. My mother wanted half a kg of this sugar to make some halwa. Then you take here 1 kilogram this half kg. Half kg means 500 grams. Tonu, little by little I put all the 1 kg sugar in the 2 pans of the balance and brought them at the same level in this way. I separated the sugar into 2 equal parts. Here 1 kg of sugar, but mother want only this half kg of this sugar to make some halwa. Then he make this same level. In one part he take this half of this sugar, then in one part he take this half of the sugar, and this the same level. In this way I separated the sugar into two equal parts, means 500 gram in one part and 500 gram in one part, means here total here 1 kg. Each pan held a half kg of this sugar. This is how my mother half a kilogram of this sugar. My mother also often needs a half a kilogram of something or the other. I will make tonu. I will make a half kilogram measure for your mother. I will put the leftover half a kilogram of sugar in one pan and some small stones in order to balance the sugar. Then I will tie those stones in a handkerchief, and that will buy a half kilogram of this measure. Then Salma, we should even take a quarter kilogram measure in the same way. Quarter kilogram means 250 gram. Again this 500 kg means 500 gram is there, half kg means. Then again you take here this 500 gram of this half means 250 gram. Then see here one question is given. Use a 1 kilogram weight and a balance to measure one of the following weight of rice, wheat, jawar. You make this activity in home. In balance you take here 2 kilograms of wheat, then you take here 1 kilogram, and in another side you take here 1 kilogram. Then 5 kilograms, suppose 5 kilogram jawar is there, then you take here adits kg means 2.5 kg, and here you take 2.5 kg. Then 3 kilogram means you take here 1.5 kg, and here you take a 1.5 kg. Then next one half a kilogram means you take here 500 gram. Half a kilogram means then you take here 250 gram, and here you take here 250 gram, and make this balance. Find out your own weight. Also find out how much it is more or less than the weight of one of your classmates. You check firstly your weight, then you check your classmate, then your weight is more or less than your classmate. You check this. The next one, find out about various kinds of balances and use them yourself. For example, the spring balance, electronic balance, the common balance, and scales for this body weight you use for these balances. Okay. Then here your this measurement chapter up to over this page number 40. Then this remaining part tomorrow. Only one page number remain. Okay. Bye.